Assalamu alaikum. Today, today I am going how to calculate future value. Now, given PV 80,000 year 9 rate 10%. We calculate FV. First of all, we input equal, then FV and rate 10%, comma, then year 9, comma, then 0. There is no input and it is 0, and minus present value 800, comma, and 0 and bracket close, and we select enter, and the result is 1,88,063.58. Thank you. Okay.